everyone, welcome back to 100-day challenge for block-based coding. So today I would like to introduce you a program through which we are going to draw some fractals. Okay, so before getting into the program, let me just give you a small tidbit for the day. Yesterday we have learned this white space is a stage, right? So here let me just show you, like pencil which is on the stage, we have so many other characters in the sprite. Okay, you can just choose so many characters from the here. Okay, so they are commonly called as sprite. Okay, and see here, this is a fractal images. Okay, so let me just give you a decent explanation for fractal. Okay, so according to the Cambridge dictionary, a complicated pattern in mathematics built from simple repeated shapes that are reduced in size every time they are repeated. Okay, so it is like a pattern which is repeated again and again. Okay, so can you see here, this is a simple pattern which got repeated and we have made this as this fractal. Okay, so usually fractals are something which is usually the scientists will feel very difficult to create. Okay, even you have the natural scenery like clouds, trees, everything is a example of natural fractals. Okay, so today I would like to extend my day one program. Like yesterday we have drawn polygons, right? So using the polygon, I'm just using the draw the fractal. Okay, so I hope you remember the program which we done yesterday. Like when I click the flag, it just go to the x, y, 0 and 0 and just set the size 40 and erase everything which is before drawn. Okay, and here what it does is, when I just press the space key, it just asks number of sides for the polygon and weight. Okay, when I give the answer, it takes the answer and draws the polygon. Okay, so now see here, this is this polygon code. Okay, so what I done is, I have taken the repeat and put 25. That's a random number, you can just check it. Trial and error method, you can just get the random number. Okay, what I done is, I just changed the color. See, once what it does is, it just draw a polygon. Like for example, it just draws some squares, or it just draws some triangles. Okay, sorry, so I'm just going here and there. Okay, so we can just draw some triangles, or we can just draw some squares, rectangles, everything I can go. Okay, and what I do is, once I draw the image, I turn the pen to some degree and change the color of the pen, and again draw the polygon. Okay, same polygon. Okay, and again change to the degree 15 degree here and change the color of the pen and I draw it. Okay, so same thing. So what I do is, I do it for repeat it for 25 times. Now see here, I just click the flag. Now I'm just pressing the space bar and it asks for some size, so I just start with 8 and just enter. So can you see here, the polygon is drawing again and again. Okay, 25 times. So once we done, can you see, this is an example of fractal. Okay, so if you see they will say the fractals, or fractals is made up of a simple structure which is repeated so many times, and each simple structure has the same statistical property. If we talk in detail, okay, that is not needed. Okay, so as of now we have drawn with the octagon, right? So now let me just draw some hexagon and see how it looks. Okay, so can you see, this will also bring some interesting pattern. Okay, so similar pattern. Okay, so now let me just take it and let me just draw with the squares. Even I want to see how it works. Okay, can you see? Yes, the square also have a different pattern. Yes, it's also works good. And now let me just click it and click it. It's triangle. Okay, 3 sides. Yes, can you see? So this is also an example of pattern. Okay, I'll be just explaining you different fractals, at least 2 fractals in the upcoming days. Okay, of course we have to explore something in fractals, right? So I'll be giving you other 2 examples for fractals. Okay, in upcoming days. Okay, and that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you on the day 3. I guess this is day 2 and I'll meet you on day 3. Till then, take care. Bye bye.